Want to stop running out of stock and keep an eye on your inventory, but setting up a spreadsheet and sharing it with your team feels like a pain? Good news! Fixeets makes inventory management available right from your Google Sheets and from any device, so you can manage your stock easily with your team. To get started, head over to the Google Workspace Marketplace and install Fixeets Inventory. Just click Install to add it to your Google account. In a new Google Sheets tab, open the Fixeets console from the Extensions menu. If the extension doesn't show up, it's because you have multiple accounts connected to your browser without the extension installed on them. Log into Fixeets for the first time and generate your workspace. 5 Google spreadsheets will be created to save and store all your data. Once the setup is complete, you can start building your item database. To create a new item, click New to open a form where you can fill in all the details of your item: category, barcode, supplier, price, safety stock, and more. Once confirmed, everything will be saved in the item spreadsheet. You can also import or copy-paste your values directly into the corresponding Google spreadsheet. Just make sure to respect the columns and formats. Refresh the console after any changes made in the spreadsheet. To create a new inbound, click on Inbound, select the item, and fill in the quantity along with any useful information for your stock, like a location, for example. Once confirmed, the stock level will be visible in the stock spreadsheet, and all the inbound details will be saved in the inbound spreadsheet. Once your inbounds are done, you can create an outbound. Click Outbound, select the item, and fill in the quantity along with any useful information. Once confirmed, the stock level will be updated in the stock spreadsheet, and all the outbound details will be saved in the outbound spreadsheet. You can also select an item by searching or scanning it to perform an action directly on the selected item. You can also share it securely with your team. To do this, go to the menu and select Sharing and Permissions, then add a new collaborator. Enter their email address and select the features you want to share with them. Once saved, an email will be sent directly to their inbox so they can open the app from any device, phone, computer, or tablet. You can also access the web app by scanning the QR code or opening the available link. You'll find all the information about your inventory management, along with all the available analytics to fully understand your stock. You now know how to manage your stock efficiently with Fixeets. Discover all our features by booking a meeting directly on our website, fixeets.com.